Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the two numbers and their signs. Positive or negative changes the final sign. Once confirmed, choose a method: mental for small values, grid or long multiplication for multi-digit work, or a calculator for speed. Make sure digits are aligned by place value with the larger number usually on top. Now break the multiplier into manageable parts, ones, tens, hundreds, so you can compute partial products. This setup prevents basic alignment and sign mistakes later. You multiply the top number by each digit of the bottom number, beginning at the ones place, so you build from small to large. As you compute each partial product, shift it left to reflect tens, hundreds, or thousands. Use a zero or move columns accordingly. When a product exceeds 9, write the carry above the next column and add it into the next multiplication. This keeps the running totals accurate. If using grid method, fill each cell, then sum the diagonals to get the same partial results. You now add the shifted partial products column by column, carrying as needed until you have a single final number. Once done, apply sign rules so the result has the correct positive or negative sign. To verify, estimate by rounding each factor and checking the product magnitude, or divide the final product by one factor to recover the other. If the result is off, recheck carries and alignment first. Most errors come from misplaced zeros or forgotten carries, so correct those and recompute the affected column.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.